In previous video, we started the 10th class first chapter real numbers, and we completed the Euclid division lemma statement, and also we completed exercise first point 1.1 first bit problem. Now the second problem is by Euclid division algorithm. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. But before solving this problem, we learn the basic concept related to this topic. See, you know the even numbers starting with 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. But in mathematical symbol, we represent the even numbers with here 2n or 2m, where n values starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. If you substitute n equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2. N equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4. N equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6. Like this, by substituting the n values, we get all the even numbers. In the same way, the odd numbers are represented with the symbol 2n plus 1. Same here also, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. While substituting the n values, we get the odd numbers. First n equal to, here we starting with the 0, n equal to 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, n equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So like this, we get all the odd numbers. So in the problem, we represent even numbers with the 2n and odd numbers with the 2n plus 1. Now this is one concept. Now see the second concept, the division. So if you observe, if you divide 6, if you divide any number with the 6, we don't know the number, and here also we don't know the quotient, but we know the reminders. You can expect the reminders. The reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The reminders are less than 6. So you can expect the reminders are any one of these. Not only 6. In the same way, if you divide any number with the 5, here also we don't know the quotient, but we expect the reminders. The reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Now remember these two concepts related to this problem. Now we start the problem with the Euclid division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm. A equal to bq plus r values in between 0 and b including 0. So equation 1. Put b equal to 6. Put b equal to 6 in equation 1. Then we have here the condition. Then we have 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. Now what are the possible values of r? Possible values of r equal to either 0, r1, r2, r3, r4, r5. Up to 5 are the possible values of r. Now we have to substitute the each and every value we have to check. Now see, what is the equation 1 now? Equation 1, a equal to 6q plus r values 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. Now we start with r equal to 0. These are the possible values. We have to discuss each and every value. R equal to 0, a equal to 6q plus 0, then it is equal to 6q. Now split the 6 as 2 into 3, 2 into 3q. are taking 3q means see 2 into m where m equal to 3q means a equal to here 2m, it is in the form of even number 2n even number, so a equal to 6q is even. A equal to 6q is even. We are representing even numbers with 2n or 2m, so a equal to 6q is even. Now at r equal to 1, a equal to 6q plus 1, a equal to 6q plus 1. Now see, we represent a equal to 6q plus 1. See how to represent, again the same form, 2 into 3q, put plus 1 as it is, equal to 2m plus 1. Same here also, where m equal to 3q, it is in the form of odd numbers. We represent odd numbers with 2m plus 1. So a equal to 6q plus 1 is odd. Next, at r equal to 2, a equal to 6q plus 2. So it is equal to, take 2 common, 6q plus 2 common. Next, this is 3q plus 1. From 6 to 2 common, 3, and here 2 common, remaining 1. Next, same, it is 2m where m equal to, again m equal to, consider 3q plus 1. So it is in the form of even numbers, 2m, we represent 2m even numbers. So a equal to 6q plus 2 is an even. Next, at r equal to 3, a equal to 6q plus 3. So see how to write this, 6q, we have to split to 3 as 2 plus 1. From here, the first 2 terms, take 2 common. 2 common means here the 3q plus 1, the same order. 2 common, 3q plus 1, this is completed, and plus 1 here remaining. It is equal to 2m plus 1, where same m equal to 3q plus 1. So a equal to 6q plus 3 is an odd number. Now next, at r equal to 4, a equal to 6q plus 4. 6q plus 4, take 2 common, 3q plus 2. 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 2m where m equal to 3q plus 2, then a equal to 6q plus 4. It represents even number. So 2m equal to 6q plus 4, here it is even number, is even. Now at r equal to 5, at r equal to 5, a equal to 6q plus 5, a equal to 6q plus 5, we have to write 6q plus 4 plus 1 in the same model here also. 4 plus 1, from 6q plus 4, take 2 common, the same previous step, 3q plus 2 plus 1, 3q plus 2 plus 1, same here also, 2m plus 1, where m equal to 3q plus 2, then a equal to 6q plus 5. 6q plus 5 is 2m plus 1 is odd number, so this is also odd number. 6q plus 5 is an odd number. Next, the last, if you observe, now what are the odd numbers? Now search. The first one, 6q is even number, 6q plus 2 even number, 6q plus 4 even number. So what are the odd numbers? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are the odd numbers. So last to the conclusion, 6q plus 1 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are odd. So we can represent in the form. Next video we will discuss the remaining problems.